In this video, we will see that how can you make playlist on Spotify PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So when you open the Spotify app on your PS5, and if we go in the library, here you will see all of the playlists. So now to create a playlist, so if we open this song, so now to put this song into a playlist, so if we go and click on the three dots, so there is no option to create a playlist or add it to a playlist. The only option here available is to like the song, and it will be added to liked songs on the library here. So to create other playlists than liked songs, you have to open Spotify in your phone or PC, and then you have to log in with the same Spotify account that you are using on your PlayStation, and you have to create a playlist, and then you will see the playlists here. So that's the only way to create playlist, to create custom playlist on Spotify PS5. So hope this information helped you out, and thanks for watching.